Hi, greetings from Vajag1.com. Aries horoscope today. You've invested a great deal of time and energy into a project, and today, you'll start seeing the fruits of your labor. Your hard work, determination, and strategic planning are paying off. Additionally, you've been contemplating renovations but have been held back by budget limitations. Today, creative solutions will emerge, allowing you to tackle these tasks effectively and within your financial means. Health and wellness today. Prepare yourself to handle unavoidable allergens today. Preventive measures are your best defense, so focus on enhancing your diet to boost immunity. Hydrate well and include foods rich in essential vitamins. A robust immune system will help you combat potential infections and stay energized throughout the day. Love and relationship today. Feeling like you're not scoring high on the attraction or romance scale? This is your moment to reflect and act. Envision how you wish to appear and the kind of partner you aspire to be. This visualization will guide you toward personal transformation. Embrace whatever comes your way with a cool and confident attitude. Career and money today. Workplace discretion is critical today. Modern offices often lack privacy, so avoid sharing sensitive information openly. Oversights in this area could have career implications. Stay cautious and professional in your interactions to safeguard your reputation and progress. Taurus horoscope today. The stars align to bring comfort and joy to your material and social life. It's a perfect day to indulge in the finer things and reconnect with old friends or distant family members. A shift in your consciousness may occur today, either gradually or as a sudden realization. Trust your instincts, as they will guide you toward meaningful experiences. Health and wellness today. You're bursting with energy today, making it ideal for outdoor activities or competitive sports. Your drive and determination will not only lead to physical achievements but also bring mental exhilaration. This is a day to embrace your vitality and enjoy the peak of your physical form. Love and relationship today. Romance is in the air. You might meet someone who feels like the perfect match. Trust your instincts and allow your heart to guide you. For once, let go of overthinking and bask in the romance of the moment. This could be the beginning of a meaningful and fulfilling relationship. Career and money today. Your business growth may seem stagnant at the moment, but don't lose heart. Use this time to focus on self-improvement and personality development. The excellent customer service you've provided in the past continues to draw clients, so trust in your steady approach. Your controlled expenditures ensure financial stability, keeping your finances on track. Gemini horoscope today. Your energy levels are soaring, and your outlook is brighter than ever. Challenges that seemed overwhelming in recent days now appear manageable. With your newfound vitality and confidence, seize the opportunity to express your desires and opinions. Pursue your goals passionately, as success is within your grasp today. Health and wellness today. While you may feel healthy, it's essential to take a closer look at your wellness. You might be neglecting hydration and key minerals, which could have a silent impact on your health. Consider undergoing a thorough health checkup today and heed any warnings it provides. Staying proactive will ensure long-term vitality. Love and relationship today. Avoid getting entangled in others' romantic dramas. While it's tempting to give advice, maintain a neutral stance if you can't steer clear of the situation. Instead, focus on your own love life. Plan something fresh and sensuous that adds excitement and depth to your relationship. Career and money today. This is a golden day for networking. Connect with influential individuals who can help elevate your career or provide access to new opportunities. While your financial goals might feel distant, keep the faith and continue your efforts. Patience and persistence will bring fruitful rewards. Cancer horoscope today. Today is your day to shine. Support will come from unexpected places, helping you overcome the challenging situation you've been stuck in, largely due to someone else's mistakes. Take this as a lesson to steer clear of such individuals in the future. For now, it's time to celebrate your victory like never before and revel in the support and goodwill surrounding you. Health and wellness today. Pay attention to your hygiene and diet today to avoid bacterial infections. Simple practices like washing hands thoroughly and consuming only boiled water and properly cooked meals can safeguard your health. Steer clear of fast and fatty foods for now to maintain your well-being and build immunity. Love and relationship today. Exciting but fleeting connections may come your way today. Your charm and persuasive words can easily draw people in, but don't expect these encounters to develop into anything deeper. Enjoy the light-hearted energy of the day. Flirting is in the air, so let yourself have some fun. Career and money today. Your forgiving nature takes center stage today, as you let go of past grievances against colleagues or bosses. This fresh perspective may open doors to smoother relationships at work. Financially, opportunities to rise to the top are within reach, but they might involve taking calculated risks. Trust your instincts as you move forward. Leo horoscope today. Monotony has been weighing you down lately, but today calls for a change. Add some adventure to your life. A trip to your favorite vacation spot or embarking on a small expedition could work wonders. Step away from personal and social distractions to focus on goals that need your undivided attention. Reignite your passion and zest for life. Health and wellness today. You may face emotional turbulence today as deep-seated memories resurface, disrupting your spiritual peace. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from a counselor to navigate through these feelings. Pay close attention to your dreams, as they might reveal answers to questions that have been troubling you. Love and relationship today. Family matters take precedence today. Your career ambitions have been at the forefront for a while, but now it's time to nurture the relationships you've been neglecting. Strengthening your connections will bring emotional fulfillment and balance to your life. Prioritize love and familial bonds for a refreshed perspective. Career and money today. For students and professionals, the day promises rewards for your hard work and dedication. Success and recognition are on the horizon. However, be cautious with investments. Losses are possible if you act hastily. Postpone any major financial decisions for another day to avoid setbacks. Virgo horoscope today. The day may begin with some confusion, but a spiritually inclined person could provide valuable guidance. Listen to their advice, as it comes with pure intentions and could be highly beneficial. You might feel drawn to visit a holy place today to find clarity and peace. By the second half, everything will settle down, and you're likely to enjoy quality time with friends. Health and wellness today. Today is a day for self-reflection. You may find yourself analyzing your emotions and contemplating changes to improve your mental well-being. While the process may seem daunting, trust that everything will fall into place. Keep calm and focus on maintaining your inner peace as you embrace these transformations. Love and relationship today. Let go of overthinking your relationships and focus on having fun. The day is perfect for indulging in light-hearted activities like dancing, watching a comedy, or attending a party. Your charm and wit will make you the center of attention, leaving a lasting impression on your partner or a potential love interest. Career and money today. Be prepared for an unexpected career opportunity that could change your professional trajectory. It's crucial to act quickly and seize this chance, as any delay might lead to a missed opportunity. This offer might come through a past connection or even a complete stranger. Trust your instincts and take the leap. It's a risk worth taking. Libra horoscope today. If people struggle to understand your choices, don't waste your energy explaining every decision. Not everyone will approve, and that's okay. Focus on your tasks ahead, even if they require adjustments to your prior commitments. Flexibility will help you navigate the demands of the day effectively. Health and wellness today. You might experience minor skin issues, making today a good time to plan a detox. Avoid oily foods and take precautions to prevent insect bites, especially if you're around wooded areas. Carry anti-allergy medication as a safeguard. With these measures, your overall health will remain steady. Love and relationship today. Love surrounds you today in every form, be it in the air, on your mind, or within your reach. Open your heart and take small, thoughtful steps toward romance. Seek advice from friends, but avoid rushing into decisions. Your mysterious and intriguing aura is drawing others to you. Embrace it and let things unfold naturally. Career and money today. While you have several pending commitments, today might not be your most productive day. Restlessness and lack of focus could lead to procrastination and a growing backlog. Consider taking a day off to recharge and relieve your stress. With a refreshed mind, you'll be better prepared to tackle your tasks with clarity and vigor. Your adventurous spirit is at its peak today. Armed with determination and sheer willpower, you are ready to conquer any obstacles in your path. Nothing can slow you down, making this the perfect day to tackle challenging tasks. Success will come swiftly and effortlessly, so schedule those difficult activities and watch them unfold smoothly. Health and wellness today. You might experience minor health issues today, such as a slight cold or headache, leaving you feeling a bit under the weather. This is just a temporary phase, but it's essential to prioritize rest and relaxation. Avoid overloading your schedule, and you'll bounce back to full energy in no time. Love and relationship today. Tensions in your relationship are likely to come to a head today. You've been striving for openness, and a major confrontation might occur. While this may seem daunting, it will clear the air and release all the built-up stress. With everything out in the open, you can make significant decisions about the future of your relationship. Career and money today. The theme for today is balance. You'll focus on aligning your income with your expenses, perhaps even exploring a second job to boost your finances. Keep an eye out, as you might stumble upon an excellent opportunity. At the same time, you'll successfully implement strategies to curb unnecessary expenses, paving the way for better financial stability. Sagittarius horoscope today. The stars align to offer you a unique chance to heal and make amends. Today, you can confess past mistakes and atone for them, releasing a heavy burden from your soul. This rare opportunity will bring you peace and allow you to move forward with renewed clarity and strength. Health and wellness today. Your patience may be tested today due to someone's interfering behavior, which could cause frustration or even stress. It's crucial to remain calm and steer clear of negativity. Channel your energy into creative pursuits that uplift your mind and enhance your self-confidence. These activities will help you regain emotional control and feel empowered. Love and relationship today. Recent misunderstandings in your relationship will finally clear up, making way for a deeper understanding and connection. Events today will reinforce the strength of your bond and sweep away any lingering doubts. Express your gratitude and love through meaningful romantic gestures, as the day is perfect for rekindling affection. Career and money today. Temptations may challenge your integrity today, but sticking to the righteous path is essential for your career growth. Shortcuts may seem enticing but will lead to setbacks in the long run. If you feel overwhelmed, reach out to a trusted mentor or friend for guidance. Staying true to your values will ensure long-term success. Capricorn horoscope today. Celebrations are in the air. Someone close to you might be tying the knot, filling your day with joy and excitement. For those in love, the urge to take your relationship to the next level could be stronger than ever. Perhaps it's time to exchange vows. Married Capricorns, immerse yourself in the festive spirit and cherish the happy moments with loved ones. Health and wellness today. You're in for a fantastic day health-wise, with a stress-free mindset and boundless energy. Take advantage of this by engaging in physical activities you enjoy, whether it's a friendly ball game or a gym session. Your vitality will shine through, making this an ideal day to connect with friends and share the good vibes. Love and relationship today. If you've been dragging a relationship along out of habit or obligation, today might bring clarity. You could feel a bit low due to uncertainty, but this introspection will help you realize what's best for you. If the relationship isn't adding value to your life, it's time to move on. Trust yourself and take the step toward a more fulfilling future. Career and money today. Work may feel a bit mundane, with detailed tasks and paperwork demanding your attention. However, these small but significant details are crucial to avoid mistakes. Stay focused and meticulous, even if the monotony tempts you to rush through it. Once these tasks are complete, you'll feel ready to tackle bigger challenges. Aquarius horoscope today. Today might feel confusing due to the positions of the planets. Your mind will be preoccupied with a minor problem that's hard to shake, but overthinking won't help, as you're unlikely to find a solution. You may even receive contradictory information, causing you to rethink long-held beliefs. It's a day of mental shifts and uncertainty, so take it slow and avoid making major decisions. Health and wellness today. Be cautious today as fevers and chills could affect you. While it's likely to be a minor health issue, it may linger for a few days, leaving you feeling irritable. Take extra precautions when going outside, and consider making some changes to your diet. However, be realistic about whether you'll be able to stick with any drastic changes, and focus on staying hydrated and resting. Love and relationship today. Arguments are in the air, and tensions may arise between you and your partner. It's best not to engage in any heated debates today. Sometimes, giving in and being the quiet one can diffuse the situation. Be gentle and understanding, and focus on the positive aspects of your relationship. Remind your partner of the good times you've shared, and let this day pass without further conflict. Career and money today. You might be tempted by another get-rich-quick scheme today, but remember your recent financial losses from a similar venture. This time, resist the urge and take a more cautious approach to investing. Listen to the experts and avoid the glossy presentations that promise quick gains. Rationalize your financial decisions and trust in proven methods rather than flashy opportunities. Pisces horoscope today. Your instincts are on high alert today, and you should trust them completely. Even if those around you disagree, follow your inner voice, it will guide you toward the right path. While it may feel like a tough decision, the rewards will come soon enough. Keep your eyes open for opportunities and act swiftly when they arise. Health and wellness today. As someone who is always there for others, today you'll find yourself being the source of love and support for your close friends and loved ones. However, don't neglect your own health while taking care of them. Carry your own food and water to avoid contamination, and make sure to set boundaries. It's important to demarcate time for yourself as well. Love and relationship today. You've always approached love with a light heart, but today you may realize just how serious your relationship has become. While this may be a little intimidating, understand that embracing this shift will bring fulfillment. If you want to experience true happiness in love, it's time to dive in with both feet instead of testing the waters. Career and money today. Today, You might connect with a successful professional who could be the key to getting your work done efficiently. However, before jumping into a partnership, be cautious. There's a risk that they may increase their rates midway through the project. It's best to negotiate a clear agreement with set rates to avoid any surprises down the line. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe to get daily full horoscope updates.